Get the Chase Business Complete Banking account with the essentials you need to help get your business going. Learn more at chase.com/business-complete-banking. Chase for Business. Make more of what's yours. Quick Accept is not available in U.S. territories. Enrollment required. Usage subject to approval. Same-day deposits available for payments before 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Sunday to Friday. Fees and rates apply for checking and processing. Limitations and restrictions apply. Participants compensated. Merchant services provided by Payment Tech LLC. Subsidiaries of J.P. Morgan Chase Bank and a member FDIC.
Can I say this?
Waking up with Big Bay Mornings. 99.7 now. Big Bay Mornings. Sound check.
Name that song, Marching Band Edition. And shout out to everyone in band. Were you in band?
I played the trumpet.
All right.
I was in band. I got a picture with me with my little cover.
Time at band camp?
No, it didn't happen like that.
Best line ever in a movie. I was in band in 7th and 8th grade.
Oh, what did you play?
Cornet.
The what?
The cornet. It's like
Isn't that one of those mandatory instruments? We all have cornets. What was that? Recorder. That one's
I played the triangle.
My parents eventually took that away from me.
So I'm going to play you a handful of popular songs performed by different high school marching bands. These kids are so good. But if you recognize the song, here is the first one. What song is this? Hold on, you'll get it right here. You really don't know?
I mean, it's in my head, but it's not.
She works with her brother a lot.
Billie Eilish, that guy.
Point for Gregory.
I wasn't even close.
You weren't even close,
I
huh?
had no idea.
Well, those kids were. That was dead on. Here's the original song.
So you're a tough guy, like you're really rough.
Yeah.
Just can't get enough, guy. Just go.
All right.
So good.
Right. Marching band song number 2. What song is this? Yes.
Weekend?
What song by The Weeknd?
What's the name of this song?
I don't know the name.
Cry,
Cry for you.
Don't cry.
It's too hard.
Yeah, well, he does have about 100 songs.
He
So I
doesn't
get-
sound the same, by the way.
I get it, but here is the original.
How do y'all not know these?
Clearly, I didn't.
It's hard
Yeah.
when you don't have the
How about you texting the answer?
They are they not?
one person. After we guessed it.
So 1 point for Nikki, 1 point for Greg. Name this song performed by a marching band.
Yeah.
Keep going, keep going. Good job. You don't have to play the original. We all know the original.
Yeah.
Oh, Nikki just pulled in the lead, though.
Oh, how did you not know that? I knew it.
How did she pull in the lead? That's 1-1.
No, it's not.
No, she got The Weeknd.
She
gotta-
didn't because
I
she
gotta
didn't name the
have
song.
So neither did you.
Yes, I did. Billie Eilish, you don't get a point for the second one.
We just love
Y'all
to find.
no, I like to find.
All right, 2-1. Nikki is in the lead. Song 4. Name this song performed by a high school marching band. Luis Fonsi.
I said besito. You know what I meant. You're welcome, Greg. I gave you that one.
Here is the tiebreaker. It is 2-2. Song 5. Name the song performed by a high school marching band. yesterday. Another one struck the bay this week, this time in Santa Rosa. It was a 4.4 that hit around 6:40 last night. Then about a minute later, there was a 3.9 aftershock. People all over the bay felt the rumble. I didn't feel anything, which is weird. I'm in Marin. Santa Rosa's not that far north of me. But my pops, who's also in Marin, he texted me right afterwards. He's like, "Did you feel that?" I said, "Pound down dinner. I didn't feel a thing." But my dad, who's 5 miles from me, he felt it.
I saw some of the stores up there. A lot of things fell off the Anybody really got hurt, luckily.
No injuries. Santa Rosa Fire Department did respond to some gas leaks, but that was about it. I will say though, my wife Vanessa and I did go over the game plan again. That conversation came up. When it happens, where are you going to go in the house? If you're separated, where's the meeting point? Emergency backpacks. If you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready, baby. Facts. If you're worried about the big one coming, experts say there's about a 5% chance that a big one will happen in the next few days.
Oh, Lord.
And over the past month or so, you've heard the terms quiet quitting and quiet firing.
Right.
So basically, they're both just passive-aggressive ways to not do as much work or to make an employee miserable until they leave. Okay. Now there's a new concept. It's called overemployed. And it's when you're secretly working 2 or more jobs and neither employer knows about it.
We talked about that during the pandemic. We talked about that a lot. Like, people had one job, but they didn't have much to do, so they would deliver for DoorDash or Safeway.
At the same time.
Yeah, because they didn't have anything to do with their other job, so they were doing something to make even more money, which I just call
Sassy Sports.
Giselle Bundchen is breaking her silence about husband Tom Brady coming out of retirement in a new cover article for Elle magazine. And she told the magazine she was not happy with her husband going back. She said they'd had conversations over and over and over again. Ladies, I think you can all relate to this. Try to talk to your husband about things.
Tell him once, you gotta tell him 13 times.
Said it's a violent sport. I want him to be around for our kids. She also mentioned something that a lot of women probably can relate to. She says that she gave up her career. She moved to Boston. She dedicated herself to taking care of their family while he concentrated on his passion. At 42, she says she has a list of passions that she put on the back burner, and it's time for the roles to flip.
I respect this. Everything she said, spot on.
And she's been successful throughout her whole career. Tom Brady could have been fine, but no. He's being selfish, and he's putting himself before his wife and his family.
Well, that's why she ain't showing up at any of the games. And Steph Curry also is making headlines this week as he's featured in Rolling Stone magazine. The main takeaways from the article is that he learned the importance of being a role model to kids. A stern talking to that he got from former President Barack Obama. He told Rolling Stone in 2018 he made a flip comment about the moon landing being fake. This was on a podcast with some other knuckleheaded NBA stars. They all kind of, are talking about the Earth is flat.
Oh, no.
Guys recently have been saying, well, Obama didn't like it. He sent him an email, and he said, listen, you need to take your responsibility about being an influencer and being a role model seriously. Comments like that are not helpful, and you need to fix it. Wow.
Just another reason why the Obamas are awesome. I love it.
Steph said he took it seriously, and he fixed it, and he learned a huge lesson. That's all I got for Sassy Sports. But you know what I always say, if they're playing with balls, I'm all over it.
Entertainment Report.
Spears' social media circus and has unfollowed her on Instagram after Britney made some comments about Christina that most people took as body shaming. Now, Britney said in a post, if I had Christina Aguilera's dancers, I would have looked extremely small. Then I found there was only one way to look thin, hang out with fat people. Terrible. Britney has been reckless online lately.
I think we all know she's not well.
And then Britney's trying to come back and she's saying, no, that's not what I meant. She said Christina has a beautiful body and it's just her insecurities that she has to deal with because of her parents and the media.
I don't know what any of that means.
Pretty much she's just making excuses for saying dumb stuff again. Paramount is talking about getting rid of Showtime. So Showtime, Jacket, and Billions will be moving to Paramount Plus if this deal goes through.
So this is similar to HBO moving HBO Max to Discovery.
Are people just tired of watching overpaid celebrities win awards? And is there anything that they could actually do to make people want to watch this anymore?
I mean, I will say I watched most of the Emmys, and there were a couple of cool moments. The Lizzo was a great moment. I thought Jennifer Coolidge was hilarious. But are you going to watch the moments that you could find on YouTube hours later?
And that's the point. You can get everything online.
Is there anything they could do to save it, though?
Nudity.
Okay!
Or more Chris Rock, Will Smith drama, things like that start popping on.
Make it and get to smacking.
All right, that is your Dirty on the 30. We're coming back to
here.
They love trap. Paige found some evidence that another woman has been in her man's place, and when Corby came up with a very weak excuse, real answers. And that's what we'll do next in the Love Trap with Benny, Nikki, and Greg on Big Bay Morning. Are you ready? 99.7 Now's Big Bay Morning.
Get you going in the morning when you're on your way to work.
They're funny, they're entertaining.
Let's make these people a Big Bay morning.